Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how I made these delicious gourmet cinnamon rolls. First, I gathered all my ingredients. These are posted in the description box below. I then add the yeast to the milk and let sit for about 5 minutes. Then I combine all my ingredients except for the butter to my mixer with a hook attachment. Let it mix on medium speed for about 4 minutes. Then add the butter. Keep mixing for an additional 5 minutes. It may be a bit sticky, so take it out and knead it for a few minutes with your hands. You will know when it reaches full gluten development when you can pull a piece without it tearing. Then take your dough, place it in a lightly oiled pan, and cover it with some saran wrap for about an hour. After about an hour, you will notice that the dough has risen and doubled in size. Therefore, you must take your dough and press lightly on it just to expel some of the air. Then take your dough, place it back into the oiled pan, and cover it with saran wrap. Place it in the refrigerator for about 2 more hours. Now it's time to make the filling. Combine all your ingredients, except for the flour, into your mixer with a paddle attachment. Mix together until fully incorporated, and then add your flour. Then cream together until smooth. Now it's time to fill your cinnamon roll. Lightly sprinkle some flour on your surface to prevent sticking. Then spread your filling across the surface of the dough. Then tightly roll your dough from left to right, ensuring that none of the filling spills out. Then pinch the edges of the dough with your hand and roll it tightly. I measured my dough about 1.5 inches apart so that I can ensure that it bakes evenly. I used a serrated edge knife just to ensure that while cutting the dough, it does not get crushed. I then placed my cinnamon rolls into a lightly oiled pan and covered it with saran wrap for an additional 30 minutes. Now it's time to make your cream cheese icing. Place your cream cheese, butter, and vanilla into your mixing bowl with a paddle attachment. Then scrape down the sides of your bowl to ensure that everything is incorporated. Keep mixing. Then sift in your powdered sugar. Mix together until smooth. Then add your milk. The time has finally come. It's time to bake our cinnamon rolls. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees, then place your cinnamon rolls in for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Let cool, then drizzle with cream cheese icing. And that's how it's done. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe.